To activate your Sprint system, slide the Lock/Unlock switch on the side of the remote to the unlocked position. A splash screen will appear while the system connects. To begin stimulation, press the middle button on the top of the handheld remote. The 0.0 icons at the bottom of the screen indicate that stimulation is now on, but that the intensity for both leads is set to 0. Select which lead you'd like to adjust by pressing the button associated with either the light lead or the button associated with the dark lead, as indicated by the light and dark circles. With stimulation turned on, press the button associated with the plus icon to increase stimulation for the selected lead. To decrease stimulation, press the button associated with the minus icon. To adjust the second lead, press the middle button on the top of the remote. Then select the second lead by pressing the button associated with that lead. The bar on the side of the screen provides a visual indication on your intensity range, depending on what your physician has prescribed. To turn stimulation off, press the middle button on the top of the remote twice. The word "off" will appear at the bottom of the screen, indicating that stimulation has been turned off.